Hey guys, we're back in the garage this afternoon. I wanted to show you what I did off camera so far. I finished cleaning this up as good as I could. I've welded in a piece right here and I welded in a piece right here. Welds still look like crap. I'm getting better though. I think the next thing we're going to do is we're going to tackle taking this sill off. Going ahead and cleaning this floor up all the way back to the back. I don't think I'm going to have to patch anything on here because it looks pretty solid, but we'll see. I am going to have to rust reform it like crazy, but yeah, clean that back up. I just got this panel, this whole complete rear heel board in today, so I'm going to probably throw that on sometime in the near future. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. I don't know if I'm going to do it tonight or tomorrow or not. I've been suffering a little bit of a sinus problem here the last couple days, so I've not been doing a whole lot. But yeah, that seal needs to be replaced pretty bad. It's got some pretty gnarly little cracks in it. But I just keep finding more rust and more rust and more rust. Hopefully when I get in here, this ain't going to be real bad. Kind of looks like it's going to be though, but we'll see. I'll bring you back whenever I get it done. Alrighty guys, we're back. I got the rest of the sill off. Still got to clean this lip up. That's going to be my next thing to do. Probably that should be about the only thing I'm going to get done for the day. Then we'll probably add a little bit more onto this video for tomorrow. I took the little stiffener off here. The only place I blew through was right here, which is kind of disappointing, but I'll go ahead and just fill that in. And then I got a couple little spots right there that I got to fill in. But everything else looks pretty solid. I'm not seeing any real bad rust up there, so I'm just going to clean this up, rust reform it, give it primer. Then I'll probably end up taking and putting a nice Rust-Oleum finish inside there just so that it just stops the rust. But yeah, I got to clean up this little bit here after I get this heel board off. But yeah, we're getting there. Hey guys, I'm back. So I decided to wait on that little lip right there because I'm not 100% sure how to get it off because there's like 5,000 little roller welds on that. So I've got one of those little finger belt sanders coming Sunday, so I think I'm going to probably dig into it with that and see if I can actually kind of grind it off. We'll see. Yeah, so I ended up cleaning this all up down here, and it's got rust reform on it drying now, so all that little black stuff you're seeing, that's all the rust. That's the rust reform's basically turning black. I've already primered the panel I done there, which actually turned out pretty good. I mean, I think once I put the gravel guard on it, I don't think you'll ever be able to see my welds. I'm quite happy with it. My gap's a little thick here, but I think a little bit of seam sealer will end up helping that, and I might be able to pound it with a hammer and get it a little bit better. But yeah, I've done that section already, primered, and then once I get over here, I'll start primering this. This here is a little, what they call a slinger bracket, which it doesn't really need to be in the car, and my Magnum Sills actually doesn't have that hole for that anyway. But yeah, I guess I'm done for the day because I really can't do anything until this stuff dries up. Next thing probably is going to try to get this lip off of here and then probably start tackling taking this back heel board off. And then I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to tackle the heel board, the boot floor, and all that all at one time. And I do think I do need to order these because I realized watching Randy's from Lone Star Minis YouTube, this is actually a double panel right here and it's all the way through. So I think I probably need to order that because that comes with that panel. So we'll see. But yeah, this thing's pretty crusty. Like this here, if I pushed hard enough, I'd go through that. But yeah, I was watching Randy's from Lone Star Mini and he he did a really cool thing, which I think I'm going to do too, is I think I'm going to pre-drill all my little holes here so I have kind of a little pattern to follow. My rotisserie is kind of on borrowed time at this point because of the pipe in the center. Everything else works fine, but the pipe in the center keeps wanting to drag on me, so I don't know how much more I'll be able to flip this thing. But yeah, we got some crusty mess here, that's for sure. I just keep finding more crust. But, yep, y'all have a good day. I think this is finish it up.